Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Calculus problems about interpreting derivatives can be tricky, but we will solve this specific health club membership question in just a few quick, easy steps. The derivative function n prime of t represents the instantaneous rate of change of the club membership with respect to time, measured specifically in members per month at any given moment. Plugging in 4 for t means we are looking at the exact rate of change at the 4-month mark, which the problem states is equal to 13 members per month. Since 13 is a positive value, the membership is increasing at that specific time, making option B the only correct interpretation of this derivative statement. Well done! Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid a rush when reading units. Trust given values and check steps carefully.